Yeah, listener John says, I'm responding to a recent question about a good, easy to use and free network monitoring system. I think I tried every open source network monitor there is, and in the end, they were much too complex for my home network. Eventually, I found Rumble at Rumble.run. It's a web-hosted application that offers both free and paid subscriptions. It's easy to set up and only requires a small client to be installed on each LAN segment that you want to monitor. I loaded the client on my iMac on my main LAN segment and also loaded it on a Raspberry Pi that I have on my IoT segment. Okay, so you've got his network in two segments. Rumble was started by HD Moore, so I trust it, he says. In fact, I've had a couple of questions actually answered by HD himself. Definitely worth a look. Oh, yeah, I got to dig into this. Yeah, okay. I like that there's options here, John. This is good.